everyone. Today I want to explain active and passive voice part 2. Here present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense. Now active form, first subject comes, after that as, if singular subject, okay, she has, he has, it has, or any singular subject, there we use has. And plural subject, I, we, you, they, there we use have. After that been plus ing form of verb plus object. For example, mother has been cooking a nice meal. Okay, but present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense has no passive voice. Okay. Simple past tense. If any sentence is in simple past tense, then how you change it into passive voice? In active voice, first we can see subject. After that verb to plus object or remaining part of the sentence. Verb to means past tense. Okay. In passive voice, how it change? Object comes first. After that was. Singular subject, there we use was. Plural subject, there we use were. Okay. After that verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle plus subject or doer. Okay. Now see, for example, she ate the whole cake. Okay. Here she subject, ate, verb 2. After that the whole cake object. Okay. Now how you change it into passive voice? Now again object comes first. Here object, the whole cake. The whole cake was, singular subject, so was eaten. Verb 3. Okay. Eat, ate, eaten. Verb 3, third form, by her. She changes into her. Next sentence, we bought home a new pet. Here subject we, after that by, bought, verb 2. Okay. Home, a new pet object. Now here again object comes first, a new pet, was, singular subject, so was used. After that what? By, bought, third form also bought, past participle. Okay. Home, by us, we change into us. Next, Prem carried a heavy suitcase. Okay. Here subject, after that verb 2, then object. Okay. Object, a heavy suitcase. Now see, object comes first, a heavy suitcase was, only singular, no, suitcase, so was used. Carried, verb 3. Okay. Carry, carried, third. Okay. So verb 3 used here by Prem. Okay. Next, one more sentence, the mason built our house. Here mason subject, after that built, verb 2. Okay. Our house object. Now see, object comes first, our house. Here singular, no, so we used was. Built, third form also built. Okay. Past participle also built, so we use built by the mason. Here subject mason. Now here last, subject goes last. Past continuous tense. In active voice we can see subject first. After that singular subject, there was. Plural subject, there were. After that ing form of verb, then object. Okay. And in passive voice, object comes first, then was, singular subject, there was. Okay. Plural subject, there were. After that being, be form. After that verb 3, past participle, then subject or doer. Now for example, we were playing badminton when it rained. Here we subject, after that were playing, then badminton object. Now see, here object comes first, badminton. Okay. Badminton was, singular subject, so was used. Being, was being played by us. Okay. We change into us when it rained. Continue the remaining part of the sentence, when it rained. Okay. Next, I was writing a letter. Here I subject, after that was writing, a letter object. Here object comes first, no, so a letter was being written, write, wrote, written, past participle, by me. I change into me. Next, children were helping their parents. Now children subject, after that were helping, then their parents. Okay, now here object comes first, so parents were being helped by their children. Subject goes last. Okay, help, helped, past participle, helped. Okay, next, the family was celebrating a festival. Now the family subject, after that was celebrating, then a festival object. Now here object comes first, no? So a festival was being celebrated by the family. Okay, celebrate, celebrated, celebrated, verb 3, celebrated by whom? By the family. The family subject. Okay, subject goes last. Next, past perfect tense. In active voice, subject comes first, after that had, then verb 3 plus object. Okay, example. Now how it change into passive voice. Okay, here object comes first, then had, then been, then verb 3, then subject. Okay, or doer in passive voice. Okay, active voice, subject comes first, after that had, then verb 3, then object or remaining part of the sentence. In passive voice, object comes first, after that had, then been, then verb 3, then subject or doer. Okay, for example, they had taken some photographs of the monuments. Okay, here taken, take, took, taken, verb 3. Okay, some photographs of the monuments. Now which one object? Some photographs of the monument. See, some photographs of the monument had been, see, had been, okay, had been taken by them. Now they, subject, they change into them here. Okay, next, I had eaten an apple. Here I subject, after that add, see, add, subject. Okay, then verb 3, eat, ate, eaten an apple, object. Okay, now here object comes first. An apple had been eaten by me. I change into me. Next, one more example. They had lit the candles. Here they subject, after that had, then light, lit, lit. Okay, verb 3, the candles object. Now here again object comes first. The candles had been lit, verb 3. Okay, by them. They change into them. Next, one more example. The weavers had nominated the actor. Here actor object. Okay, the weaver subject and verb nominated. Okay, see here the actor object comes first, so the actor, then had been nominated by the weavers. Here see, subject last, object comes first. Okay, next, past perfect continuous tense or past perfect progressive tense. Okay, in active voice we can see subject first, after that had. Okay, whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we use only had. Why? Past perfect continuous tense. Okay, after that been, then ing form of verb, then object. Okay, for example, she had been writing a letter. But one more thing, past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive tense has no passive voice. Okay, now next, simple future tense. In active voice we can see first subject, after that will or shall, then verb 1, then object or remaining part of the sentence. Okay, subject first, after that will or shall, then verb 1, only verb 1, no s or es. Whether it is singular subject or plural subject, we use only verb 1 when simple future tense. Okay, now see, in passive voice object comes first, after that shall or will, then be, after that verb 3 means past participle, then subject or doer. Okay, now see, for example, my father will buy a car. Now in passive voice, see here my father subject. Okay, and car, a car, object. Now see, object comes first. A car will be, a car will be bought. Okay, by, bought, bought, verb 3, so bought by my father. Here subject, see, my father, subject goes last. Next, I will or shall write a letter. I will write a letter, also write. I shall write a letter, also write. Okay. Now here I subject, after that write a letter, object. Okay. Write here verb, verb 1. Write, wrote, written. Okay, that. Now see here subject goes last and object comes first. So object, a letter, will be written. Write, wrote, written, third form, verb 3, by me. See here I changes into me. Now she will help me. She subject, after that help, verb 1, then me, object. Now I will be helped by her. Okay, she changes into her and me changes into I. Okay, you remember this all thing. Next, future continuous or future progressive tense. In active voice, we can see subject first, after that will or shall, then be, then ing form of verb plus object. Okay, for example, she will be writing a letter. They will or they shall be painting a wall. Okay, in future continuous or progressive tense, actually passive voice not applicable. Then also rare sentence I had seen, their object comes first, after that will or shall, then be, then being, then verb 3 plus subject or doer. Okay. Next, future perfect tense. In active voice, we can see subject first, after that will or shall, next have, after that verb 3, then object. In passive voice, object comes first, after that will or shall, then have, then been, then verb 3, then subject or doer. Okay, you see the formula, difference between active and passive voice. Now see example. They will have dug the well. Okay, dig, dug, dug, third form. They, here the well will have been dug by them. Okay, here they will have dug the well. Here which one? Object. Object comes first. No, so object the well will have been, okay, will have been dug, verb 3. So dig, dug, dug by them. They changes into them. Next, the farmers will have harvested the crops. Okay, here farmer subject and harvested verb 3, then the crops object. Now here object comes first, so the crops will have been harvested, harvested verb 3 by the farmers. Subject goes last, the farmers. Okay. Next, he will have taught me this exercise. Now, I shall have been taught, teach, taught. Okay, taught verb 3. This exercise by him. He changes into him, and here I, me. Okay, me changes into I. Now last, future perfect continuous or future perfect progressive tense. Okay, in active voice we can see subject first, after that will or shall, then have, then again been, then ing form of verb, then object. Okay, for example, they will have been digging the well. This sentence I changed here. Okay, they will have been digging the well. But in future perfect continuous or future perfect progressive tense has no passive voice. Thank you.